If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck on preparing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fix that most often solves the problem. This is a simple step-by-step method that can get the launcher working again without wasting time on complicated troubleshooting. So if you've been staring at that preparing screen and nothing is happening, stay with me because this guide should help you get past it fast. And before we get into the fix, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is fully close the Epic Games Launcher. Sometimes it looks like it's closed, but it can still be running in the background and blocking any fresh startup. To make sure it is completely shut down, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. If you see Epic Games Launcher running in the list, click on it once, then choose End Task. This forces it to close properly and clears out any stuck process that may be causing the preparing screen to freeze. Once the launcher is fully closed, the next step is to clear the Webcache. This is one of the most effective fixes for launcher issues because corrupted caching files can stop the app from loading correctly. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run box. In the box, type %local AppData%, then press Enter. That will take you directly into your local AppData folder, which is where Epic stores launcher data. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, open the Saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called Webcache. This is the cache folder that can sometimes become damaged or outdated. Delete the Webcache folder completely. If you see multiple Webcache folders, remove those as well. Don't worry, the launcher will rebuild them automatically the next time it starts. After deleting the cache, restart your computer. This is important because it fully refreshes the system and makes sure any leftover background processes are cleared out. Once your PC boots back up, try opening the Epic Games Launcher again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the launcher stuck on preparing. If it still takes a little longer than usual on the first launch, give it a moment to rebuild the necessary files. After that, it should load normally and let you sign in without hanging on the preparing screen. This fix works especially well when the problem is caused by corrupted temporary data or a bad launcher session. So just to recap, the process is fully close Epic Games Launcher in Task Manager, go to %local app data%, open Epic Games Launcher, then saved, delete the Webcache folder, restart your computer, and open the launcher again. That's the fastest method most people need to get the launcher working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and tech tips. And if you want, I can also help you with more Epic Games Launcher problems like login errors, blank screens, or update failures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.